Very warm and soothing good morning to one and all. Before starting this video, first we take a COVID-19 pledge. Because an oath is a way to make us aware of our duty toward ourselves, society and nation. So I request every student to stand up, stretch your right hand and repeat this COVID-19 pledge after me to support the Jan Andolan started by PM for fighting against COVID-19. Student, as I start the pledge, after I will say my name and you all will say your name. And after that you will repeat the lines after me. So let us start. I, Abhishek Singh, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of the deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others. To wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win this fight against COVID-19. I hope you all will follow this pledge and prevent yourself, society and nation. So students, let us start this exercise 10C capacity. So students, these are the units of capacity. They are written in decreasing order or descending order. Clear? Bigger to smaller. Kiloliter is the biggest unit of capacity, liter is the standard unit of capacity, milliliter is the smallest unit of capacity. When we convert bigger unit to smaller unit, we multiply. When we convert smaller unit to bigger unit, we divide, as you can see in this chart, and I have explained in previous videos also. Let us start first question. Express 5 liter in milliliter. Students, see, liter to milliliter, bigger to smaller. Clear? So when we convert bigger unit to smaller unit, what we do? We multiply. How we multiply? See, we multiply 10 into 10 into 10. Means we multiply this value by 1000. Solution. Express 5 liter in milliliter. 5 liter in milliliter. Very simple, student. See, this 5 liter is equal to what we do? We write this 5 and then we multiply by, see, liter to milliliter. 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 10, 1000. 1000. 5 into 1000, 5,000 milliliter. So 5 liter is equal to 5,000 milliliter. Next question, student. Express 49.109 kiloliter in liter. So student, what we have to do? We have to convert this 49.109 kiloliter to liter. So student, what we do? See here, kiloliter is the bigger unit and liter is smaller unit. Kiloliter to liter. We have to convert bigger unit to smaller unit. So what we do? We multiply by how much? 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 10, 1000. So start 49.109 kiloliter is equal to 49.109 multiply, see, kiloliter to liter, 10, 10, 10, 1000. Student, when we multiply decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000, so what we do? We shift the decimal to the right hand side. How many places? As many zeros we have in the multiplier. Here we have 3 zeros, so we shift this decimal 3 places to the right hand side. So 4910910 9 leave. Now student, if you have a problem in multiplying decimal number, so what you can do, let's do one more. So option, you convert this decimal number 49.109 into fraction. So how we convert? Write this decimal number without decimal in numerator part, 49109. Now write 1 in denominator. Now see how many decimal place? 3 decimal place. We add 3 zeros in denominator. Clear student? Now multiply this 49109 upon 1000 into 1000. See student, we have got the same answer, 49109. I hope you all have understood this question. Next question is student, at 19.043 liter, 14.19 liter, 2.001 liter. So student, we are in live decimal, so we can easily add. So what you have to do? You have to write this measurement, 19.043 14.109 2.001 liter. Now add 9, 1, 10, 10 plus 3, 13. Write 3 here, 1 carry. 4, 1, 5. Clear? 0 plus 1 plus 0, 1. Now student, 9, 10, 11, 11, 4, 15. 1 carry. This is 1. 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So student, this is our sum, 35.153 liter. Next question is student, we have to subtract this 8100 kiloliter or 8100 kiloliter from 21007 kiloliter. Very easy. 21007. Now 0018 minus kiloliter. 7 minus 0, 7. Clear? 0 minus 0, 0. This 0 is less than 1, so we will borrow 1 from this 1. It will become 0 and this 0 will become 10. 10 minus 1, 9. Now this 0 is less than 8, so we will borrow 1 from this 2. So this 0 will become 10 and this 2 will become 1. 10 minus 8, 2 and 1. So 12,907 kiloliter. This is our difference. Next question is student, express 93 liter in deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. So student, let us start. 93 liter we have to convert it to deciliter. liter to deciliter, bigger to smaller. So what we do? We multiply. Clear student? 93 liter is equal to 93 multiplied 10 is equal to 930 deciliter. Once again student, see liter to deciliter, how many times we multiply? We multiply by 10 only. So in this 93 we multiply by 10 and this is our answer, 930 deciliter. Clear? 93 liter is equal to 930 deciliter. Now 93 liter to centiliter, liter to centiliter. So this 93 we multiply by 100. See 10 into 10, 100. So 93 liter equal to 93 into 100. And 93 100 centiliter. Clear student? See here, liter to centiliter, bigger to smaller. So what we do? We multiply, and by how much? By 100. Clear? 93 liter is equal to 93 into 100, 9300 centiliter. Now 93 liter to milliliter. See this liter to milliliter we are converting, bigger to smaller, and we multiply this 93 by how much? See 10 into 10 100, 100 into 10 1000. Clear students? So 93 liter is equal to 93 into 1000. So 93,000 milliliter. 93 liter is equal to 93,000 milliliter. Next question student, express 49,018 liter in decaliter, hectoliter and kiloliter. Liter to decaliter, hectoliter, kiloliter means smaller to bigger. What we do? We divide. Clear student? So let us start. 49018 liter. See this liter to decaliter. So we divide this 49018 by 10. Clear student? 49018 divided by 10. So student, now how we convert this fraction to decimal? Student, when we are dividing the numerator by 10, 100 and 1000, so what we do is, starting from the right hand side, we leave as many digits, as many zeros we have in the divisor or in the denominator. Here see, in denominator we have 1 0. So what we do? We write this numerator 49018. We leave, starting from the right hand side, we leave 1 digit and put decimal. So student, this is our answer. 49018 liter is equal to 4901.8 decaliter. Liter. 4901.8 decaliter. Next, students, see this we have to convert it into hectoliter. This is liter, we have to convert it into hectoliter. Liter to hectoliter. So what we do? We divide by 100. See this 10 into 10 100. So we divide by 100. liter is equal to 49,018. Now student, what we have to do? We have to divide by 100 hectoliter. Now student, how we convert this fraction to decimal? See divisor or denominator have two zeros. So what we do? We write the numerator 9018 and starting from the right hand side, we leave two digits and then we put the decimal. Hectoliter. So 490.18 hectoliter. 490.18 hectoliter. Next student, 49,018 liter to kiloliter. Liter to kiloliter. 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 10,000. So what we do? We divide this 49,018 by 1000. 49018 liters. Write this 49018. Now divide it by 1000. Kiloliter. So student, I have explained that when we are dividing a number by 10, 100 and 1000, so what we do, we in the numerator or the number, starting from the right hand side, we leave that many digits, as many zeros we have in the divisor. Here we have 3 zeros, so what we do, we write the numerator 49018, clear? And then we leave 3 digits starting from the right hand side, 1, 2, 3, and then we put decimal. So this is our answer. 49018 liter is equal to 49.018 kiloliter. So student, this part is completed. Thank you.